Sakal Gunarnavasha Vande Guru Sri Charanaravindan.
This child will be a munificent donor of charity and protector of the surrendered, like the famous King Sibi of the Ushinar country. And he will expand the name and fame of his family like Bharat, the son of Maharaj Dushyant. A king becomes famous by his acts of charity, performances of yajna, protection of the surrendered, etc. A Kshatriya king is proud to give protection to the surrendered souls. This attitude of a king is called Ishvar Bhav, or factual power to give protection in a righteous cause. In the Bhagavad Gita, the Lord instructs living beings to surrender unto him, and he promises all protection. The Lord is all-powerful and true to his word, and therefore he never fails to give protection to his different devotees. The king, being the representative of the Lord, must possess this attitude of giving protection to the surrendered souls at all risk. Maharaj Sibi, the king of Ushinar, was an intimate friend of Maharaj Yayati, who was able to reach the heavenly planets along with Maharaj Sibi. Maharaj Sibi was aware of the heavenly planet where he was to be transferred after his death, and the description of this heavenly planet is given in the Mahabharata. Maharaj Sibi was so charitably disposed that he wanted to give over his acquired position in the heavenly kingdom to Yayati, but he did not accept it. Yayati went to the heavenly planet along with great rishis like Ashtak and others. On inquiry from the rishis, Yayati gave an account of Sibi's pious acts when all of them were on the path to heaven. He has become a member of the assembly of Yamaraj, who has become his worshipful deity. As confirmed in the Bhagavad Gita, the worshipper of the demigods goes to the planets of the demigods, Yanti Devrat Divan. So Maharaj Sibi has become an associate of the great Vaishnav authority Yamaraj on that particular planet. While he was on the earth, he became very famous as a protector of surrendered souls and a donor of charities. The king of heaven once took the shape of a pigeon hunter bird, eagle, and Agni, the fire god, took the shape of a pigeon. The pigeon, while being chased by the eagle, took shelter on the lap of Maharaj Sibi, and the hunter eagle wanted the pigeon back from the king. The king wanted to give it some other meat to eat, and requested the bird not to kill the pigeon. The hunter bird refused to accept the king's offer, but it was settled later on that the eagle would accept flesh from the body of the king of the pigeon's equivalent weight. The king began to cut flesh from his body to weigh in the balance equivalent to the weight of the pigeon, but the mystic pigeon always remained heavier. The king then put himself on the balance to equate with the pigeon, and the demigods were pleased with him. The king of heaven and the fire god disclosed their identity, and the king was blessed by them. Devarshi Narad also glorified Maharaj Sibi for his great achievements, specifically in charity and protection. Maharaj Sibi sacrificed his own son for the satisfaction of human beings in his kingdom. And thus child Parikshit was to become a second Sibi in charity and protection. Dashyanti Bharat. There are many Bharats in history, of which Bharat the brother of Lord Ram, Bharat the son of King Rishabh, and Bharat the son of Maharaj Dushyant are very famous. And all these Bharats are historically known to the universe. This earth planet is known as Bharat, or Bharatvash, due to King Bharat the son of Rishabh, but according to some, this land is known as Bharat due to the reign of the son of Dushyant. So far as we are convinced, this land's name Bharatvashi was established from the reign of Bharat the son of King Rishabh. Before him the land was known as Ilavati Vash, but just after the coronation of Bharat, the son of Vishab, this land became famous as Bharatvash. But despite all this, Bharat, the son of Maharaj Dushyant, was not less important. He is the son of the famous beauty Shakuntala. Maharaj Dushyant fell in love with Shakuntala in the forest, and Bharat was conceived. After that, Maharaj forgot his wife Shakuntala by the curse of Kanva Muni, and the child Bharat was brought up in the forest by his mother. Even in his childhood, he was so powerful that he challenged the lions and elephants in the forest and would fight with them as little children play with cats and dogs. Because of the boys becoming so strong, more than the so-called modern Tarzan, the rishis in the forest called him Savadaman, or one who is able to control everyone. A full description of Maharaj Bharat is given in the Mahabharat Adiparv. The Pandavas or the Kurus are sometimes addressed as Bharat due to being born in the dynasty of the famous Maharaj Bharat, the son of King Dushyant.